Good morning, world. Happy Sunday. I am leaving, but just to show you guys that I'm not making it up. He's here every morning or every evening. I love God, so maybe he's like my little bird angel. What should we name him, you guys? I guess we'll call him Angel. That's a cute name. What up, Angel? Let's see if I get any closer. I don't want to scare him. All right. Okay. Typical guy. Never lets you get too close. Who's this? Oh. Is that the wife? What's going on here? Or the mistress? I love you guys. Have a good day. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're gone. Maybe it wasn't him. Maybe it was a faker. Faker? I hardly know her. I'm not in my car, so I can't do that. That was easy. If you watch my videos, you know. Because I'm wearing my sneaky sneaks today. Oh, let me zoom back out. Let's see the sky. Alright, everyone, have a blessed day. I love you. Be safe. Be happy. Don't let the stupid things bother you or annoy you. It's not worth it, okay? Just be good. Alright, love you guys. Happy Sunday. Bye.